Crypto is full of opportunity, but it's also full of traps. One of the biggest scams right now, cloud mining. In this video, I'll break down what cloud mining scams are, how they trick people, warning signs to look out for, and what to do if you've already lost money. Stay tuned, and if you've already been scammed, click the link in the description to trace your lost funds. Let's start with the basics. Cloud mining is supposed to mean instead of buying expensive hardware and running mining rigs at home, you rent mining power from a company's data center. In theory, you pay a fee, they handle the mining, and you share the profits. Sounds convenient, right? Well, here's the problem. In most cases, these companies don't actually mine anything. Here's the playbook most cloud mining scams use. They promise high returns. Earn 3% daily. Double your crypto in a week. Unrealistic gains designed to hook you. Almost all of their promised returns are unreal. Just think for a second, if a platform is promising to pay you 10% returns per week, why don't they just generate that profit for themselves? They build fake dashboards. When you log in, you see numbers going up, fake mining stats, fake earnings. It looks real, but it's just code. The fake dashboard can fool anyone. You deposit some funds and you'll see the number rise up. Eventually, platform might increase your account funds and you might think, wow, I'm making good money. But that entire thing is nothing but a mirage. There are no actual returns. It's just a number being displayed on your dashboard. They pay out small amounts at first. To build trust, they let you withdraw a little profit early. Once you deposit more or recruit others, the withdrawals stop. In many cases, the scammer might ask you to deposit more in order to reach a withdrawable limit. In those cases, the scammer wants you to deposit as much as possible under the guise of approving a withdrawal. They vanish. Websites disappear, support goes silent, Telegram groups get deleted. Your money? Gone. This is classic Ponzi scheme behavior disguised as cloud mining. They even follow the pyramid MLM structure you see with other scams. These sites rely on affiliate marketers to reach a wider audience, but their affiliate programs aren't free. Marketers end up paying several $100s to join one of their plans and get started. This creates an MLM structure where every person who joins the scam ends up promoting it to get a commission. It creates a toxic cycle where every victim focuses on making more victims, filling the pockets of the scammers. The promoters don't realize that their commissions won't ever reach them. So how can you spot a cloud mining scam before it's too late? Guaranteed profits. Real mining doesn't work this way. If someone promises fixed daily returns, it's fake. Nothing gives guaranteed profits in this world. No transparency. Legit companies show their mining facilities, equipment, and hash rates. Scams just show flashy websites. Also see if they are transparent about their licenses and office locations. Pressure to recruit. If they push referral links harder than the actual mining service, it's a pyramid scheme. Beware of claims of urgency like, join now to get this exclusive deal. These are mere pressure tactics to force you to join. Anonymous teams. No real names, no LinkedIn profiles, no verifiable company registration. Look up the people mentioned in the website. Check their history. Were they connected with a previous scam? Do they have a strong online presence? And realistic pricing. Renting mining contracts for pennies while promising thousands in return? Big red flag. If they can really generate such huge profits, why are they selling their mining services for a few $100s? Why not make that money from cloud mining? Some big names that turned out to be scams include BitClub Network promised mining profits, ended up being a $700 million Ponzi scheme. Mining Max marketed heavily on social media, collapsed leaving investors with nothing. Countless smaller sites, new ones pop up every week, often using the same design templates. The sad truth? By the time most people realize it's a scam, the money's already gone. Here's a Reddit thread talking about cloud mining scams. And one user has explained the scam perfectly. Yes, they are scams. I tried a few different ones on Android before I knew any better. I thought they were something like mining rig rentals where you were renting actual hash power, but they are all Ponzi schemes. The thing about the contracts and apps is you will probably not make back the amount you spent on the contract before the contract ends. This is because you will have to go in the app every day or so and reactivate your miner so that it would continue hashing. There are many similar threads. In one thread, someone wanted to know if there are any genuine crypto mining sites available. As you can guess, there were none. This one Redditor explains it the best. There are no genuine crypto mining sites worth investing in, period. Crypto mining is an operation requiring millions of dollars of churn, and exactly none of it can offer you any return on investment comparable to stock market investment rates. Here's another person sharing their experience with crypto mining. I gave mining a try once upon a time. Norton 360 used to have crypto mining built into their antivirus software. I think I made $20 after a week. It crippled my PC and 8 tons of electricity. Mining is insanely resource intensive, and there's no reason or point in having other people come in and crypto mine with someone else's resources. It's all a scam. So why do so many smart people still fall for these scams? FOMO, fear of missing out. Everyone's looking for the next big crypto opportunity. Nobody wants to miss out on the next Bitcoin, and scammers prey on this sentiment. Complexity. Mining is technical, so scammers exploit the fact that most people don't understand how it works. People are lazy too and want a get-rich-quick answer instead of doing actual work. Social proof. Fake reviews, paid YouTube promoters, even fake Trustpilot ratings make these schemes look legit. Their large networks of promoters give an illusion of legitimacy as well. Small payouts. Early withdrawals make victims feel safe and encourage bigger deposits. Suppose you sign up on one of these platforms. You pay $25 and end up receiving a payout of $50 a week later. You think this scheme works and the platform encourages you to deposit $100. And the cycle repeats. Happy with the profit, you end up depositing $1,000 or even $10,000. Now, when you try to withdraw your profits, the platform stops responding. The initial small payout made you think the platform is legit. It's psychology, not just technology. On paper, it sounds like such an easy scam to spot, but thousands fall prey to this technique. If you're thinking of investing in cloud mining, here's how to stay safe. Do your homework. Research the company, who owns it, where it's registered, whether real mining facilities exist. Be skeptical of returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Check the tech. Ask about hash rates, electricity costs, mining pools. If they can't answer, walk away. Avoid anonymous sites. Real companies have real faces, addresses, and accountability. If you've already lost money in a cloud mining scam, don't panic, but act fast. First, stop sending more money. Don't let them string you along with fake promises. Second, gather your evidence, transaction IDs, emails, and chat logs. And third, click the link in the description to trace your lost funds. The service we recommend is a cyber intelligence firm. They do the research for you and trace where your money went. They are experienced investigators with offices in multiple countries. Click the link in description to consult one of their experts and start your journey. Cloud mining scams are everywhere right now, and they're getting smarter. Remember, real mining is expensive, technical, and low margin. If someone online is promising you easy passive income with no risk, it's almost always a scam. Protect your crypto. Protect your future. And if you've already been targeted, don't give up hope. Check the link in the description to trace your lost funds. Before you click on another flashy cloud mining ad, do your research. And if you've already been burned, click the link in the description now to trace your lost funds. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.